Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iMessage activation error. An error occurred during activation, try again. So guys, if you are trying to activate iMessage on your iPhone but you are facing this problem and you are unable to activate iMessage on your iPhone, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, drag down your control center and make sure that your internet connection is working properly and your mobile service is also working properly on your iPhone. So guys, do this, and after this go back and now open settings on your device and then tap on general, tap on about, and from here check if there are any career updates available for you. Then you have to simply update that career updates, and after this go back and tap on software update and update your software to the latest version. And now scroll it below and go to date and time and set your date and time from here, or turn on the toggle for set automatically. And after this go back and tap on language and region, tap on region and select your country or region correctly. After this go back and tap on VPN and device management and make sure that there is no connected VPN on your device. And then tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset and reset network settings of your device for one time as well. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to go to apps and then scroll it below and you have to go to iMessage. For that, tap on messages, and from here you have to tap on iMessage toggle, and after this you have to turn off iMessage for one time, and after this you have to simply restart your iPhone and again turn on the toggle for iMessage from here and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to tap on the sport app or open the sport app, and from here you can get any kind of help from the Apple team regarding this issue. So guys, you have to simply explain them your problem in a brief way and they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, hopefully after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.